All right, hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is July 19th, and welcome to the free video. So let's come over to my X page, Twitter page, and if you guys want to check it out, I did this recording yesterday. It was on the KE report, and it was really kind of fun because I love talking to them every 3 weeks or so, and I've been telling them kind of things that I'm seeing coming up, and then it just so happened like 3 weeks ago, I was like, okay, I really see this stuff happening. The small caps, the banks, we're looking at this. The market's trying to figure out when the interest rates are going to come down, and I think these things are going to work. And it just totally worked. We saw that the IWM exploded Thursday. We saw the KRE exploded. XLF popped up. XBI popped up. I mean, all this kind of stuff went just perfectly exactly how I thought it was going to be going. And we were able to just, circle back and have an interview. So it's really kind of fun. Check this one out if you guys want a little bit more information from what I'm talking about today in the free video. That'll help you out. So do that, and then, I guess follow for the, X. All right. Now, as far as the market goes, yes, it has been a really big move down. Also, today is OPEX. So I have a feeling that is part of the reason why, the market makers are just, drowning all the call people and whatnot. But this also makes sense that this is happening because, the market was just really, really high up. If we look at this, it was just right there. Came up and just kind of hit that third ATR. We're also really high up here on the monthly time frame. So, yeah, it's just not too surprising. And we can see we've had a really, really good run also on the daily chart right up through there. And then it just broke down. And, I didn't expect it to go this far. I've been looking for bounces, but that's fine. We were pretty well positioned. I think the crypto market's actually looking really good. I mean, I'll show you guys Mara. This thing looks amazing. But that's okay. We're looking now for some relative strength. And yeah, the semiconductors got hit. I think that there was some political talk about that. Taiwan, ASML also got hit on earnings. But also I think that sector was really kind of overdone, kind of cooked, like NVIDIA. How much higher can we go? So I am looking at something like AMD, which we're in. I do think we're going to get a bounce. Now I need to figure out if it's actually going to be able to, recover and go higher. But for right now, we're just trying to see what we can do about this particular trade. The fact that the market is down like this is a lot. And so I'm kind of expecting that now that we're past OPEX, because, there's some market manipulation there, we should hopefully bounce going into next week. And so we'll have to see where we go from there. And again, if we kind of talk about the IWM, and all this, hey, not surprised. We are absolutely not surprised that this thing pulled back. We actually took 3/4 of our position off right there because I could tell that this thing was going to come back down. Now it's just a question of like, well, where is it going to find support? And I'm kind of looking here at the hourly 50. Typically that's a spot. It could go lower, so I'm not buying it. I'm not buying it back yet. So we'll just have to see. And as I said, it can go a little bit lower. It could also just go sideways for a little bit. Whatever it is, I do view that this thing is in an uptrend. Okay, I know a lot of people out there are probably like, oh, small caps never going to work. I beg to differ. I think that we're going to be seeing some really good stuff. And I do have a webinar coming up on Wednesday that you guys should tune in for. So make sure you start looking for the advertisements. We got a webinar. I want to show you guys what I'm looking at and what we're doing and how we're taking advantage of this market, because this is my kind of market. This is where I made over 700% in 4 months in 2020. I know everything was running, but I think we're starting to see this rotation, and I want to be able to take advantage of it. And just, case in point, look at Mara, and look what's happening here. There's a lot of volume, and this looks like just the most amazing bull flag. So, yeah, we got a big old squeeze on this thing. It popped up. It's flagging. I just don't see anything wrong with this. So, I think this means game on. And we're seeing even the biotech really kind of do its thing too. So, yeah, should be a great time. Come check out the webinar, see what I have to say. I think you'll like it, and you'll take away a few nuggets from it. So thanks again, guys, and we'll see you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.